Hey guys, welcome back to Cast Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to cold smoke your own cheese. I've got this amazing smoke maize that you use with wood pellets. And we got some Gouda cheese, some Munster, provolone, mild cheddar, Colby Jack, pepper jack, and some white cheddar. After you smoke this, you got to vacuum seal it, leave it in the fridge for 2 weeks, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Real simple. These are about 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. It's my first time trying it, and I think it's going to go well. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, for our cheese, we're going to use the maize. We're going to load this with, I got apple pellets. We're going to put them in here, nice and even. Light it on one side. It's going to snake its way through. I'm only going to smoke the cheese for about 2 hours. I'm going to place this down under here, and then I'm going to put an ice tray underneath the cheese on this grate in here. Let me show you. So you can kind of see, oh sorry folks, so you can kind of see that's down in there. Ice tray will go here. The cheese will go on top on a grate on these grates here. So the idea is, we're probably going to offset that too. We'll put this over here. How's that? The idea is you do not want the maize with the heat directly underneath the cheese. You want to keep it below 80 degrees because you don't want your cheese to melt, right? So that's what we're going to do. Maize there, ice tray there, cheese on top over here on a grate. Smoke it for 2 hours, then we're going to seal it up and put it in the fridge. Alright, we got our apple pellets going on that one side there. Like I said, it's gonna snake through. We're gonna put this over here on the right side. Nice billowy smoke. We're gonna put the ice tray, like I said, on this grate down here underneath the cheese on the left side. This grate back. Alright, let's get our cheese on here, left side, since our smoke box is on the right. Close this up. I got vents open on the side and the back ones here. I don't know if you can see that back there. So nice airflow to keep that box going, keep our maize going. Shut that. I'm just gonna let it go for 2 hours. Should be good. Alright, we've been going about 4.5 hours with this stuff. Again, I'm using apple pellets. It's a Traeger apple wood pellet mix. We're about just around the first bend. So I think this amazing smoke tube maize is probably a 12-hour total smoke if you load it full and let it burn all the way through. It's looking really good. Definitely see smoke absorbing into this cheese here. Let's get a closer look at that. Look at that. You can see, I hope you can see it, how the edges are getting dark. The cheese is definitely darkened up. It's definitely not as light as it was before. So I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna get it wrapped up in some Ziploc bags. I don't have a vacuum sealer. That's ideal. If you have a vacuum sealer, that's what you want to use. You want to put it in the vacuum bag, suck all the air out, and let it sit in the fridge for 2 weeks. Let it cure, let it absorb all that smoke, and then it'll be ready to slice and enjoy. So we're going to get this off of here, get it in some Ziploc bags, and throw it in the fridge. Alright, bringing it inside. It's definitely, can definitely tell how dark it got. Let me show you this Gouda here. I don't know if you can tell, but that is definitely darkened up. It's light there. Kind of see the color difference. It's looking really good. So we're going to get them bagged up, get them in the fridge. Alright, well, that should suffice. Get this all in the fridge, give it 2 weeks. We're going to pull it back out, cut it up, and it should be good to go. I don't think I'm going to make a follow-up video with this cheese. I think this is going to be the end of it here. So, thanks for watching. Cold smoke your own cheese. I know this is going to be good, so you guys don't need to see me cutting this up and eating it. Try it at home. Get you an amazing smoker tube or an amazing maze. Get some pellets. Cold smoke. This was 4.5 hours. I probably overdid it a little bit, but it's gonna be good. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.